if you are looking a way to make money with ChatGPT, you are in the right place. I'm implementing this strategy in my affiliate marketing business. First of all, we're going to find a product that we can promote and earn good commissions. So for example, this one, the 1 2 3 profit. So this product is going to be launched in January 4th. And as you can see in the screen, if we sell this product, we can earn 50% of $3,497. So the way to use ChatGPT to make money online is we're going to first of all subscribe to the ClickBank affiliate network so we can have our own affiliate link, and then we need to click here on the JB page so we can promote this product. Once we have all the information and enter our details in this box, they are going to whitelist our email so we can promote this product. And also they are going to send to us information through email. So let me show you. I received this email from the company with information about the product, and let me show you. This is an ebook that they send to the affiliates. As you can see on the screen, this is the 1 2 3 profit executive summary. Okay, now that we have the information of the product, so this is a crucial step, we're going to see in Google Trends the keyword affiliate marketing, and as you can see on the screen, it's going up and with a nice trend, and that means that people are searching for this keyword more often. Now that we have the knowledge that people are searching for this keyword, and we know that the 1 2 3 profit system is a program to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, I'm going to go to my blog, and as you can see on the screen, I have here all the information about the product that I wrote. So we're going to use ChatGPT right now, and as you can see on the screen, I'm going to copy this sentence or this paragraph. Can you write an SEO article for my blog with the information? Then I'm going to paste the information of the first step of the 1 2 3 profit system, and I'm going to click enter. The ChatGPT is going to generate the article. So sure, here is an SEO article on the topic of choosing offers based on conversion rates and other factors. So why conversion rates matter when choosing offers for your blog or website. As a blogger or a website owner, you want to choose offers. And so this is cool information that we can use. See it here. So as you can see, I have here the 3 steps of the 1 2 3 profit system, and I wrote these 3 sentences, and right now I'm going to use some information of the ChatGPT. So we're going to choose this one. Conversion rate is a measure of how effective an offer is at drawing visitors to lead. Conversion rate means I'm going to copy and paste it here. And using this information, I can update my own article. Choosing offers with high conversion rates can help you maximize the potential revenue from your website or blog. Or if you want, you can change So this is cool. And I can use it also if I want to add more information for the step 2, which is this one. Set up the web page. I can copy this, paste it on ChatGPT, and to generate more information so I can keep updating my blog. I'm going to click here on update, and we are ready to go. I have here the article. We are ranking in the 3rd spot. So that means that we are ready with our own website for this launch. Now, if you want to learn how to start your affiliate marketing business, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. If you don't want to write articles, comment down below if you like this information, and talk to you soon, guys. Bye.